Citation mistakes are the worst. You make a few minor errors and instantly your paper has a significantly lower grade. But today you will learn how to format your MLA paper with our easy-to-follow guidelines.
The College Disruptor.
Hi, I'm Santiago from Gradehacker, the non-traditional student's most trusted resource, and we want to help you format your paper in MLA 9th edition in the easiest way possible. First, let's start with the general guidelines for the overall structure of your paper. We recommend setting up this essay format before you start writing so you have it done from the beginning. You'll need to write on a standard white 8.5 per 11 inch paper, have 1 inch margins on all sides, use double space, use a legible font like Times New Roman in 12-point size, and indent the first lines of paragraph 1/2 inch from the left margin. Now let's see how the first page and header of your essay should look. First of all, it's not necessary to add a title page unless your professor specifically requests it. On the upper left-hand corner of the first page, you have to write your name, your professor's name, course, and date. Then add the title center below. Don't write it in all caps, underline, italicize, or use quotation marks. For the header, you have to go to the upper right-hand corner, 1/2 inch from the top, and write your last name and the page number. All pages must be numbered consecutively with Arabic numerals. So your first page should look something like this. Let's see how citations work in MLA, starting with in-text citations. You only need two things, the author's last name and the page number. For example, a direct citation would look something like this, while an indirect citation would look something like this. However, the quotation will change depending on how many authors the source has. If it has two, you need to add "and" in between both authors' names. But if it has 3 or more authors, you only have to include the last name of the first author and add it all. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep up with the best college tips. Now, one of the most important parts of your essay, your reference list. Begin on a separate page at the end of your essay. Have 1 inch margins and the same header. Label the page Works Cited and center it at the top of the page, and don't italicize, bold, or put these words in quotation marks. Double space all citations without skipping spaces between entries, indent the second line of each citation by 0.5 inches, and end each work cited with a period. The main difference with sources like websites and online newspapers is that you should include a URL or the DOI to help readers locate it easier. For books with only one author, you have to follow the general order: author's last name, author's first name, source name in italics, edition number, publisher, and publication year. If there are two, place the author's names in the same order as they are presented in your source material. And if there are 3 or more, list only the first author and add it all. The citation format to cite an entire website is editor, author, or compiler name, name of site in italics, name of institution or organization affiliated with the site, date of resource creation, and URL, DOI, or permalink. If you want to cite an online newspaper article, the order is author's last name, author's first name, article title, title of the web in italics, publisher name, and publication date with the URL. For an online scholarly journal article, you need to include author's last name, author's first name, article title, title of publication in italics, volume and issue numbers, years of publication, and URL, DOI, or permalink. For creating your reference list, we recommend you use a citation generator like Citation Machine or MyBib to create accurate citations faster and easier. These websites automatically give you the complete citation based on the type of source and format you choose, but still, you should always double check if it's correct. That's it for today. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends so they can improve their formatting skills too. Also, comment down below what gives you the most trouble when citing, and we'll reply back to help and end your doubts. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you are looking for more tutorials on how to write, you can check our video on how to format your APA paper or learn which are the differences between APA and MLA. We'll see you next time.